everyone. We're going to determine whether the series is convergent or divergent by expressing our series with the n as a telescoping sum. If it's convergent, we're going to find its sum. We're going from n equals 2 to infinity, 2 divided by n squared minus 1. So I'm going to rewrite this as our sum is going to equal I equal 2 to infinity, and expand this factors as I minus 1 times I plus 1. All right, so I really have, I'm going to use partial fractions, and we're going to get 2 divided by I minus 1 times I plus 1 equals A divided by I minus 1 plus B divided by I plus 1. Clearing the fractions, we're going to get 2 equals, and I'll cross multiply these, AI plus A, and then we're going to have plus BI minus B. So we're going to get 2 equals I times A plus B plus A minus B. We have A minus B equals 0, and A plus, 2, and A plus B equals 0. So when you add this up, you get 2A equals 2. So your A is going to equal 1, and therefore your B is going to equal negative 1. Because A plus B is 0. So when you substitute that in, we're going to get A is 1 and B is negative 1. So now let's go ahead and do our sum. So we're going to get the sum I equals 2 to n, and we're going to have 1 divided by I minus 1 divided by I plus 1. Okay, now let's expand this. This gives us 1 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 half minus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 third minus 1 fifth plus plus 1 divided by n minus 3 minus 1 divided by n minus 1 plus 1 divided by n minus 2 minus 1 divided by n. Now let's see, with the telescoping series, terms cancel out like a telescope, like a pirate's telescope when it collapses. So these two cancel out. Basically, this one would cancel out with this, and then this one would cancel out with this one. So basically we're left with, when the telescope collapses, these first two terms and these last two terms. So what we have is the telescoping series, and the sum S sub n equals 1 plus 1 half minus 1 divided by n minus 1 divided by n. So taking the limit of, as n approaches infinity, of 1 plus 1 half minus 1 divided by n minus 1 divided by n. So both of these terms will go to 0 because the denominator will get very large, and we're left with 1 plus 1 half, and that equals 3 halves. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.